sorry. I was trying to video your snoring, Ben. Can you fall back asleep for me? Can you just try to relax, please? Just relax. Not the best snoring I've heard, but... Oh, okay. That was pretty good. Is that the best you got, Ben? Alright. Can you just not breathe? You silly boy. Oh, poor Ben can't breathe. We'll fix it, bud.